Problem number 16, I can't really bring that up. I recreate that. I probably could. It would take me quite a while to recreate, the graph and whatnot. Or for 15, right, it would take me a while to recreate those graphs and whatnot. So I'm going to walk you through it a little bit. I'll look at 15. So open up your text, if you would, page 36. And we're looking at 15. It talks about Molly's Candy Shop. So first question is, what is this chart called? And for 15, it's called a histogram, right? Your guys is for 16. I think if you just go back just one page, if you go back to 35, it's going to give you a pretty good idea what yours is called, right? So what is the total number of frequencies? You guys don't have that, but if I were adding those up, I'd have to just start adding. Let's go left to right, and on top of those bars, got 5 plus 13 plus 28 plus 23. And if I add all those up, it comes to 100. Okay, what is the class interval? Okay, and so each interval, I got 0, and you guys have that one, right? What is your class interval? Okay, mine's from 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. So my interval's 5 then, right? What is the class frequency of the 10 up to 15 class? In my case, it gives me the exact number, right? You can tell it's a little bit below the 30, but it's got the number on top, which is 28. You guys are going to have to make a little bit of an estimate, and that is your B. Make that the same, the same question, I guess. It says, how many days were 2 up to 4 patients admitted? What is the what is the frequency? Right? What is the class frequency of the 2 up to 4? If you changed your question to say that, it would be the same thing. And in your case, you're going to have to make an estimate just looking at the chart. Okay. And then E is, what is the relative frequency? Well, 28 out of 100. I would have 28%. You guys won't have that. Okay, what is the midpoint of the 10 up to 15 class? Well, it's halfway in between, and you guys do have a similar question, I think. Yeah, what's the midpoint? Well, halfway between 10 and 15 is 12 and a half. Okay. On how many days were there 25 or more packages shipped? So I got to go kind of the right side, and I see there's 25 to 30 and 30 to 35, so I got to add 10 plus 13. In my case, it would be 13. So your guys' is kind of similar, a little bit different, but hopefully that helps you walk through it a little.